I knew when she blew in she wouldn't stay. Every now and then God makes one that way. A red-haired wild child with storms in her eyes. I knew I'd never be the same. But that's the thing about a hurricane. She's all lightning, wind, and rain. You get too close and you're swept away. You better hold on till she breaks. And it's a hell of a ride if you can just survive the pain. That's the thing about a hurricane. And she said she was running from her past. Every breath she stole felt like my last. And her kiss told me I better get on out of there. I was too far gone to care. But that's the thing about a hurricane. She's all lightning, wind, and rain. You get too close and you're swept away. You better hold on till she breaks. And it's a hell of a ride if you can just survive the pain. That's the thing about a hurricane. That's the thing about a hurricane. Hurricane. And you have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'd like to say miigwech to the lovely and talented Natasha on the guitar, on the Gitojigun guitar. All right. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa, Hoa.